Here's a beautiful 1966 Buick Riviera Grand Sport. This is the real deal GS Grand Sport. This is a phenomenal car. This car only has 15,000 actual miles on it. It's all original interior, original chrome, under the hood's original, trunk's original. You don't find them like this at all. It had one repaint in its life. I don't know why, but in the paperwork it shows one repaint. Door inside the jams, everything all original. But you can see his car been very well taken care of. Previously part of a large collection, I was told. But the car speaks for itself in quality and condition. You know, you can just tell nice low mileage cars when you look at them. This car has all the signs, all the bright, beautiful chrome and trim, and you can tell this thing is well taken care of. Beautiful body, Riviera Red, factory colors, all numbers matching. It was gone through by a Buick expert, verified the car. We got a bunch of original paperwork for it, receipts and stuff. Just kind of give you some close-ups going around the car here. You know, it's probably painted some years ago, I'm guessing. The thing was all taken apart when they did it. The rocker moldings are excellent. Wheel well moldings are beautiful. The road wheels are beautiful. Usually these things are all rusted out. It's always been a good climate. Underneath the car is clean as a whistle. You can see all the rubber in the thing is just beautiful. All the glass is excellent. If you want to get really picky, go over, you know, a couple little chips on the edge of the door here. I mean, it's very ultra minor. One little dingy there. Ultra minor things, but overall the car is gorgeous. Chrome's really beautiful on it. See a little chip there. Very nice down the sides, straight. Everything fits great. It's amazing how bright and everything the stainless and everything is. More door dings or anything like that. Door handles are nice, no pitting. It's got really good storage. There's really nothing to knock the car at all. Original glass, original windshield, safety glass. There's a few little chips here and there just from being around. I mean, it's kind of inevitable to have a couple of items like that. See the fit on the hood and everything. See the nice doors shut. All the jams are original paint. So there's a couple little chips and stuff from getting in and out of the jams, but it's original. You can see, you know, no overspray on the hinges. All this weather stripping is original. See how beautiful these door panels are. The car is just magnificent inside. All the original weather stripping is really nice. You can see this nice original paint, original rubber bumpers. Interior is just beautiful. Steering wheel is perfect, dash is perfect, all the chrome, lenses, dash pad, it's amazing. Seats are beautiful. It's a bench seat car, which is really cool. It's gotta be pretty rare. Package tray is really nice. Back seat looks like it hasn't even been sat in. Courtesy lights work. Headliner's in great shape. This thing's in the wrapper. The inside of this car is. Clean that VIN tag is. You know, this plastic pieces, those are always broken. Yeah, you can buy one of these that needs work and try fixing it up, but they're never the same as the original car. I mean, if you're gonna buy one, spend extra money and get one like this. I learned that once a car's been fixed up by several people, they're never the same as an original car. Nothing fits right usually. You have to spend a ton of money on it. But a lot of guys cut corners. The box open, lights work. 15,000 miles. And there's little things like this. It's original paint, you know, so we left it. That's what it was. See, under the hood here is beautiful. It's hardly used, which it really has been hardly used. All correct. Went through all the numbers, original motor, original tranny. The brakes were all gone through, which happens when they sit. The brakes go bad. Original radiator cap. The headlights work great. Original plating on the hinge. Original rubber grommets there. See, these bolts haven't even turned. Beautiful under the hood. You can see the original trunk is absolutely beautiful. Original jack, original spares in there, original mat, original weather stripping, original paint. Original paint under the trunk lid. No rust. The car is completely rust free. I got pictures of the underside and the ad. You can see how nice it is. We'll take a close look here. You can see how clean that baby is. The car starts right up. Horn works. Radio works. The manual antenna I figured out, so yeah, put the antenna up, but the radio does work. AC flows good. Nice. Work. Okay, it's a 15,000 mile car. Runs and drives like a 15,000 mile car should. Nice and smooth and tight. the brakes been gone through on it. Brakes stopped the car on a dime. Speedo works. Back here, it's gonna start raining, it looks like. Directional work. Yeah, these GSs are really going up in value, so it's hard finding nice ones like this, especially a 15,000 mile car like this. Interior's like new. It's the right colors, and it's got a ton of paperwork, original protecto plate, owner's manuals. There's a log book showing everything the guy did to the car since he picked it up new to all the way up to like 2004 or something like that. But I picture a lot of it in the ad. I'll explain it. But it's pretty cool because every time he did oil change or change a light bulb or anything has been documented in there. So good luck. Don't wait long. It's not gonna last long.